Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a mask for Mask Monday with a bunch of other ladies. I'm about to cut this middle thing out because I don't want to eat mask or anything. So the one I'm doing today is the Glacial Water Moisture Plumping Mask. God, I can't talk either today. This from SoAE. It says, here's the packaging. It says, chill out overheated and angry skin with 100% medical grade cotton gauze sheet infused with glacial water, delivering deep moisture while chilling skin temperature to ensure optimal hydration delivery and retention for a moisture plumped complexion. Okay, this middle part's gonna go. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna go over a couple things that I got in the mail. I include some work stories since you guys liked that last time. So, I got the Glow Addict mystery box. That thing's a total joke. This was their pot of gold mystery box. It's the small one. This is just ridiculous. I'll show you what I got. Yes, I'm kind of upset because it was, I want to say $15, and this is what I got. I got the Pure Aurora Paper Cloud Premium Melting Cleansing Foam and Makeup Remover 2-in-1 for dry skin. Okay. Then I got this, I guess it's for false lashes. I don't do that. So, then I got these two little, it must have been an afterthought because these are from like Christmas. Look, it's got a Christmas thing. It's a little, these are teeny tiny little blenders from Christmas. And then I got this thing. The Smoke Bomb with Foil, Volume 4 Foiled Eyeshadow Palette. That's everybody else seemed to have gotten. What the kind of crap is that? This is not worth $15. Baloney. I could say another word, but that'd be rude. So, that wasn't a joke. So, yeah. I got these vitamins sent to me. They're kind of interesting. They're micro quick absorb. They're like dissolvable tablets. Like you just put on your tongue and it dissolves. This is a cherry, wild cherry flavor. It's a full size. It's 90 tablets. I got that to try. So, this is the Vitamin C 500 Cherry Cerasis. I don't know. I didn't pay anything because they gave me a code to get it for free. All I had to do was pay shipping. It was like $3.99 or something like that. So, we'll be trying those out, see if they're any good. I got my Brandify box. The Bright Beauty faves that everyone has been getting. I think it's kind of neat that you choose your own stuff. I mean, that way you know you'll be happy with what you pick. So, there's what it looks like. Whoops. There's what it looks like. It says, "Hello, gorgeous. We channeled the power of our beauty community to bring you tried and true products from the app." Well, I don't have the app because it's an iOS app and that's for like iPhone, not Android, which would I have, but that's okay. I was able to sign up through the website. I don't know why everybody had to do a wait list. I never did it. I just went right on through, so I don't know. But anyway, I picked the Milani Gilded Coast palette. I think my friend Jessica did too. They do a nice job packaging things. There we go. I should have done this before, but that's okay. Come on. Go over there. Here's what it looks like. It's pretty. I like it. I really like the blues in there. I like that it's a darker one. It's kind of up my alley. Yep, so I picked that. That was $20. Because you could pick 4 things, so, I mean, that's cool. This is a better deal for $15. Just saying. I'm not salty. Then I picked this Julep Charcoal Cognac Sponge. But, Blondie. Blondie. Hi. You want this, don't you? No, you cannot have that. No, baby. Come on. Get off. Go away. Thank you. Go lay down, please. Got the Julep Charcoal Cognac Sponge. That is valued at $8. Then I got the Pixie On the Glow Ginseng and Glycolic Acid Multi-Use Moisture Stick. It says, hydrate your face, lips, and body on the go when your skin is feeling dull with this travel-friendly solid moisturizer. Blondie, I think your butt is cute, but I don't think anybody else does. Hold on. Sorry about that. She's just curious. She's just a kitty. It says, hydrate your face, lips, and body on the go when your skin is feeling dull with this travel-friendly solid moisturizer. Contains vitamin D2 to help protect your skin against damage, ginseng to revitalize and balance your complexion, and glycolic acid to renew and moisturize. Blondie. She's crazy. What, honey? What are you doing? She's just weird. Anyway, so this is, what is this? 8. Blondie? Blondie, honey, come on. Come on. So, sorry about that, you guys. So that's kind of cool. Oh, did I tell you how much the palette cost? That cost $20. The Julep sponge cost $8. The Pixie On the Glow was $18. And one more product we got is Yes to Avocado Fragrance-Free Daily Cream Cleanser for dry skin. So that'll be nice. It says, where'd it go? Here it is. That is $9. It says, this moisturizing cleanser creates a milky lather that clears dirt, oil, and other impurities to leave your skin fresh and nourished. Formulated with deep hydrating hyaluronic acid and avocado oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidant vitamin C plus E, ideal for parched skin. That retails for $9. So I paid $15 for this box, and does it calculate it for you? No. But that's okay. It's a pretty good deal. I really like this. I like that you get to pick, and I think that's pretty cool. So, yeah, I'll definitely be getting their summer edition when it comes out. I don't know. A lot of you guys said that you could buy it month to month or whatever it was. I didn't see an option for that when I signed up, so I don't know. Well, I signed up for their email, so whenever they come out with the summer edit, I'll buy it then. And that's not too bad. So, I have to leave this on for 5 more minutes. Let's see, what can I talk about for 5 minutes? Blondie, since you've seen her mostly in this video, I can tell you the story of how she came to be in my care. I just adopted Morris. This was back in 2019, same year my dad passed away. In December, I wanted to get Morris a friend, so I went to the same place I got him. It's through PetSmart, but they work with local rescues. And she was from a hoarder's house in Phoenix. I mean, they had over 50 cats in that house, and she was one of the 50 that they rescued along with her sister, Victoria. And Victoria, her sister, looks a lot like her. Hold on a second. Stupid messages. Anyway, Victoria looks a lot like her, except Victoria has the Irish fold ears. If you don't know what an Irish fold is, I will, or Scottish fold, sorry. Scottish fold, if you don't know what that kind of cat that is, I will throw up a picture in here and show you. But, anyway, Victoria didn't really like people. She was afraid. She hid in corners. She wouldn't even let the people at PetSmart touch her. So I was like, well, we could adopt both of them. They're like, no, Victoria needs a lot of work and a lot of patience and a lot of care, and I don't think that would be an ideal environment if there was 3 cats involved, even though her sister would be present. So I'm like, okay, well, I would like to adopt Blondie. Would she be okay with another cat? It's a male. They're like, yeah, they'll be all right. So brought her home. It took her a while to trust us. She hid under the dresser most days. Morris wasn't exactly thrilled. Another cat was in the house, but he eventually learned how to like her. And they've been best buds ever since. Occasionally they get into fights, but what animals don't get into fights? It's just nature. So, I mean, not bad fights, but, you know, typical fight, I guess, brother and sister type cat fights. I don't know what you want to call it. Roughhousing, playing, I don't know. But yeah, took her a while to get used to us, but she did. She's a sweetheart. I mean, she might have a face that looks kind of mean, like she's gonna mess you up, but she's a real sweetie. She really is. She doesn't like her head petted a lot. Doesn't like to be held or no hugs. And whoever had her, the people that had her in that hoarder house, I think I want to give everybody the benefit of the doubt, but I think they're quite cruel to her because her back molars were filed down. She doesn't have her canines here, so it's really hard for her to eat shredded meat foods because of that. So we have to give her pate the same way as Morris because he has a similar problem, but I think a lot of his was due to malnourishment and tooth rot. So That was before us, so we didn't do that. He has to eat pate too, so I love my cats and I love my dog, and I just don't understand how people could be so cruel to like abandon pets or abuse pets. They have feelings. I mean, and they probably have nightmares. They probably remember it. So, don't get me started. I'll probably end up bawling my eyes out because I just hate when people are cruel to animals and do mean things like throw animals out a window in a fast-moving car, or throw them out off the highway, or throw them over an overpass, or run them over and leave them for dead. I hate hearing stuff like that. It just kills me. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed some of my unboxings. Sorry this was kind of a sad episode of my Mask Monday, but it is what it is. If you guys enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. I forgot my ending thing. Give us a thumbs up if you like videos like these. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.